All right, we got Milo with us as always, and he wants to tell you that we are hitting things off in September with another successful Transfer Tuesday, one step closer to hitting $1 million with my net worth. And Milo really wants this treat, so we better give it to him. There he goes. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michael and I apologize, my hair is going to be totally crazy in this video. I look like a mad scientist right now. Anyway, as many of you know, I have recently paid off over $140,000 worth of student loan debt, and I'm now on a journey to further my net worth to hitting $1 million. Now, obviously, paying off $140,000 worth of debt and getting to a net worth of $1 million are kind of two different financial roads to be on. One just involves paying off and putting money towards getting rid of my student loans, and one involves both saving but also especially investing. And so in today's Transfer Tuesday, I'm going to be putting money and transferring money to those two avenues of finance. I apologize, I have missed the last 2 weeks. I was on vacation, and well, when you're on vacation, you don't want to make a YouTube video. So maybe towards the end of the video, if you want to stick around, I'll talk briefly about my vacation, as it was kind of the celebration vacation for paying off my student loans and being able to just take a big, nice, kind of expensive vacation and just celebrate with my wife. I did want to say I have been reading your guys' comments. I know I don't always respond as I have in the past because I'm now getting a lot more comments in the comment section, but I do want to do the shout outs again. I just didn't prepare for this video to do that, so I see your guys' comments. Don't think I don't read them. But I saw in the last video a lot of you were suggesting opening up a regular brokerage account. And I actually have a regular brokerage account, but I have not touched it in, I guess I can say, years. So I think maybe it's time I open that back up, take a look at it, see where I'm at, and maybe start making investments into that account. So I do have a regular brokerage account, but I'm not going to be investing in it in this video, but stay tuned for future videos because that is going to be a goal, as you guys have suggested to do. All right, so let's get down to the nitty-gritty, talking about the two specific transfers I have made today. September is typically a good month for me in terms of making these videos because it's when my secondary income really kicks back in. Over the summer months, I don't have that side hustle income coming in. And once September hits, it starts to come back in nice, big, healthy paychecks that sometimes even rival my regular income. And that's really cool to see. So starting off with the first transfer in today's Transfer Tuesday, I know this is coming a day late, but the first transfer is moving money from my regular bank account where my money goes when I get my paychecks, moving into my Ally Savings Bank, which if you don't know is a high interest yielding savings account. And I think that's great because it beats letting the money sit in my local bank account where it's not really gaining much interest at all. And in the Ally Savings Bank, I think it gets about 4.1% interest, and I divvy it up to specific buckets or sinking funds in that account. And as you guys can probably see on the screenshot I flashed up, $500 is going to the Ally Savings Bank. It's going into the account, but of that $500, it's getting divvied up between two separate buckets, which hopefully you guys can see. Of that $500, 450 of it is getting sent to the vehicle sinking fund. I've explained in the past that we are trying to save up for a new vehicle, and $50 is going towards the Christmas fund, which we use that to, come Christmas time, kind of lighten the load with Christmas expenses, if you get what I mean. Because, you know, Christmas time can be kind of expensive with buying gifts for other people. Anyway, moving on now to the second transfer of today's Transfer Tuesday. I'm trying to make this video a little bit quicker because my camera keeps turning off on me. I don't know why. It's never really done this much in the past, but it's really doing it today, and it's getting annoying. But the second transfer in today's Transfer Tuesday is a transfer, an investment transfer, moving money from my local bank account, once again, when my paychecks go every other week, moving it from my local bank account to my M1 Finance account for my Roth IRA. And I know I've made many videos doing these specific two transfers, and that's because I'm trying to be consistent. But With my Roth IRA, I transferred $250 at the start of this month, it now being September. And my goal is that hopefully this year, or I shouldn't say this year, but by the end of 2024 Roth IRA is the deadline. I hope to have my Roth IRA maxed out for this year. And so far I've been able to put $250 towards my Roth IRA this month. And like I said, the purpose of me making these transfers is to get to $1 million in my net worth. But the goal each month is to allocate $3,000 combined savings and investments. So not $3,000 invested and $3,000 saved. That'd be crazy. That'd be $6,000. That'd be really cool, but not right now. $3,000 combined between investments and savings that will hopefully be increasing my net worth. Now, I hopefully in the future will be making another net worth update video. I don't really see a point in doing it every single month, as my net worth is not going to change that drastically, but maybe every quarter would be a good idea to do a net worth update video. So stay tuned for that. I know my last net worth update video was a big hit. I had a huge increase to my net worth from the last time I had made a video. So that was really cool to both show you guys and to see for myself. Anyway, as stated in the introduction to the video, one of the reasons why my videos have been put on pause for the last 2 weeks is because my wife and I went on vacation, and I know some of you would ask in the comment section, where'd you go? What'd you do? So we went to, I don't know if you can even see my hat, and I don't have autofocus, so I'll just tell you what it says. We went to the Grand Tetons in Wyoming and spent a little over a week out there. Great trip overall. I've never been to, big country like that, big sky, big mountains. Pet my dog, he wants another treat. It was a lot of fun. Can't say enough nice things about it. The first thing that stood out to me while being out there was the quality and smell of the air. Everything smelled really good. Even though there was some wildfires going around, they didn't really impact our trip whatsoever. So if anyone ever gets a chance to go out there, it's quite expensive, but especially if you fly into Jackson Hole Airport. It's one of the most expensive airports in, I think, all of the United States. Didn't know that. But if you get a chance, definitely go out there. It's a great trip, especially if you're into hiking and nature and just being in awe of mountains and forest. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Take care.